Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a love seat, sofa, and armchair that are scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO Brick tutorial. Let's begin the tutorial with an armchair, starting with a 2x4 plate. Let's set down a 1x4 plate in the top portion and a 2x4 plate in the bottom portion. Let's slide in a 1x4 plate right underneath the 2x4 plate. Now in the center, set down a 1x2 plate and a 1x2 flat tile. These studs are going to be used to help anchor down our minifigures to the bottom of the armchair. Now let's proceed on with a pair of 1x3 plates. Now for arms, I'm going to set down 4 1x1 by 2/3 brick with bow. Gives it a nice rounded contour for the armchair. And we're going to proceed on with the back with a 1x2 palisade brick, a set of 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow, and a 1x2 flat tile to finish up the back of the armchair. Moving on to the love seat, start with a 2x6 plate. Let's set down a 1x6 plate in this area, and in the lip, a 2x6 plate. Next, slide in a 1x6 plate right underneath the 2x6 plate. Now I want to set in a 1x4 plate right in the center and a pair of 1x2 flat tiles. These are going to be like the cushions for the bottom of the love seat, and these are going to be used to help anchor down our minifigures to the bottom. Now let's wrap this up with a pair of 1x3 plates, and let's crown off the bottom portion of the plates with 4 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bow. For arms, you may have to straighten these up a bit. Sometimes they like to go in crooked. Now for the back, 2 1x2 palisade bricks. Let's lock those together with a 1x2 plate, and let's finish up the corners with a set of 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow, and crown off the top of the back with a set of 1x2 flat tiles for the love seat. Finally, for the sofa, start with a 2x8 plate. Let's set down a 1x8 plate in the top portion and a 2x8 plate in the remaining lip, and I'm going to slide in a 1x8 plate in the front bottom. Now right in the center, a 1x6 plate and a set of 1x3 plates. This bottom portion, 3 1x2 flat tiles. Now the 1x6 plate is going to be used to help anchor our minifigures down to the bottom of the sofa. For arms, I'm just going to take 4 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bow. I'm just going to set these on like so, and 3 1x2 palisade bricks for the back. Let's lock the palisade bricks in with a 1x4 plate and fill in these two areas with 2 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow, and crown off the top with 3 1x2 flat tiles.